scrims. We're on the clock. Please tell me you're going to appeal. Actually, I'm planning to threaten you. You should have left it off after that. Yeah. Seen a bit of mileage, and you've got the glow stick of destiny. Would you like a drink? Stole it anyway, Shane. No, threatening. No drink, you sure? Have one. Vegetarian coming. Nothing will change that. The Avengers. That's what we call ourselves. Sort of like a team. Earth's mightiest heroes. A method. Takes us a while to get any traction with that one. But let's do a head count here. Your brother, the demigod. The super soldier, living legend who lives up to the legend. A man with breathtaking aggravation. Master assassins, and you. Not a great plan. When they come, and they will, they'll come for you. I have an enemy. We have a Hulk. The beast of one. You're missing the point. There's no throne. There is no version of this where you come out on top. Maybe your army comes, and maybe it's too much for us, but it's all on you. So we can't protect the Earth. You can be damn well sure we'll